Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. We have a message from Lantos from several years ago talking about the nature of the change that we are working on, bringing the great star of Genesis into Earth's realm. So let's go ahead and get started with this message. Greetings, dear ones. The development of a great new object of light is cause for cosmic celebration. The process of the development of the beloved global network of the light of Genesis is cause for celebration on a grand scale, on a great universal scale. We are in the process of forming a mighty new body of light, a new body of light with which to house the coming mighty form of light, the mighty great star of Genesis. Yes, a great body of light is required in order to house, in order to support the residence of the mighty new form. We are constructing a great body of light. It is like the formation of a great new planet. This vast change marks the formation of a planet which will support a new range of life, new expressions of living. It is highly significant. It is on the scale of the shifting of one of the outer planets in our system, enabling the planet to support human life. It would be a great new development for that world. In order for that change to be possible, there would be a need for a great shift to occur in the quality of the environment. It is not merely an abstract change. In order for the necessary shift to occur on the level of the environment, first, there would need to be a shift on the level of the substance of the planet. The substance of the planet must be conducive to the new quality of the environment. The substance must be capable of supporting the new environment. Like this, our world of Earth, is in the process of forming a great new environment. And likewise, in order for this vast change to occur, the change must also be experienced and upheld on the physical level of the earth, on the level of the lands and the waters of earth. It is a holistic change. Change is not isolated to a single level, to a single layer of existence. Change permeates the layers of life. One layer impacts another. Change is reflected and upheld on all layers nearly simultaneously. Nearly simultaneously. Yes. We are in the process of constructing a great change, one whose effects will be felt universally. This change will be felt universally. Our actions are very significant. Each action on the level of the placement of the tools in the specific locations, action on the level of support of this process. All action, each action, is highly significant. All action of support is highly significant at this time. Very good. Many blessings. So again, another message from Lantos talking about how each of your actions matters. This is the change that we're seeing, a fundamental change affecting all of Earth so that it can house the great star of Genesis. It can be the host of the great star of Genesis, something that is going to radiate the light of creation throughout all of creation. And you are the ones who are making this possible. This is why Lantos always wants to give you credit, always wants to show gratitude to you for everything that you do to make this possible. Everyone have a great week. I'll speak with you again on Sunday.